JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
Na tumesija.
Oh yes, since it's Tuesday Day, heka raboka inagone, I think it's wahome wa maingi. Kara ihoro wa iraka ke, iraka mob.
Oh, kakuoka iraka nyingi.
Yes, and I think it is the Kikuyu version of the coat of many colors.
Yes.
As it was sung by Dolly Parton, inspired by the biblical Joseph. Yes, iraka mob. One iraka, they are on their way out. They are considered fashionable.
Yes. Unlike Tene.
Sikana niyo sige tu
rugged.
Yes. Ona jini shina iraka hamaru. Na neja rochua. Leo iraka lezi ya tuikire class. Tena iraka siari a symbol of intense poverty. Yes.
Na magi.
Yes. Waja modu akona matoshi mere kija dhini kia dhukuru uli. Kana dress ili. Ni mwana gomu yagi tia muno. Well, never mind.
But anyway, it was still acceptable.
It was acceptable. And it was almost like a pandemic anyway. Almost every home had their representation of Kiraka fraternity.
No, everybody had a piece of clothing na iraka.
And it was not even embarrassing kuya Kiraka.
Yes. It was an acceptable way of life.
Saru magoti re. Isi adhuri tugogote matiari aguri magoti.
Tona yosiriki de arenyo ne kiraithi.
Umenye iyo tiri areria gutumithia.
Na wagitumithagia hari undu. No, you don't just walk into a tailor's shop.
Yes. Lewi igotire uria kurani. Ria rekia maire jiri. Ria chokagio service.
Niliacho kagio riko.
Eka wothuoke.
Iraka.
Yes. Waje muno ciathira haki gokora.
Cigokora nicio ciathiraga muno.
Yes. Na kiraka kiu nakio ni giacokie gituika fashionable in modern day.
Yes.
Magoti mana me kiraka kiu kia letha haha. They are considered very classy.
Very classy.
Not ordinary. It was not like that. Yes. Ona modo ajore handu makona kiraka kuma ngofia nginya kofu. No, they would look like a mosaic.
Rezi hau niho wa macangi na kianangi moereire.
Yes. Tona ando na maina ira kiyo mako me matata. Leo KIHENJO na seble re. Kianangi na macangiri. Makiona kaundu kau giake. Yes. It was not anybody's concern.
So cio ti undu ati ungia makiria ndu.
Wega biyo.
Ona mundu ni arugamaga na iraka icio ciake ciothe.
Kanitha.
Na karuta point nginya mucemanio wa cipo.
Wega view. Yes. Ira kana ciori. You see, there was the sewing machine boom. Kwe ndiro gwa ndu magura machine cia gutuma wega.
Ihemi akera ari ho nights.
Yes.
Andu ni magurithio machine cia gutuma.
Wega piyo. Na mwezi ya thini to cia reha woka ona twanari horo cio.
Walipa mdogo.
Yes. Higher purchase.
Ndakagura sarahani.
Yes. Na muci uria we sarahani iri especially his ya koure ne cia sumekagia iria ingi tondu yeherio the engine ri ni mwetikiragio ubiririkie hanini yacokio the boini ri ne kahingwo ri riu ni ugwitikirio hure itanga nduri maitoguo kana thoguo ri uria wari mutumiri atumagira hau nja nigetha andu that was the sign ya we are open. Arugama in proximity to the reji so that people can see.
Mundu akamuona akihituka reji.
We are open. Yes.
Akagwa wa mage.
Yo.
Ni ndona ni uhingurire no ni ngutuma caimo gakwa
na ndigo ikara ni utumane tha ici
ndirakinya mucio riu
yuka tumana. And you know you would not dictate ati kwenda gutumirwo na uthi wa rangi uriku ni uria we hau.
No, iyo ni prerogative ya fundi.
Acio na kiraka kiria kioneka riu ni mwakinya hakuhe kwire muoni ni mutumeirie kiraka na uthi wa burana. Hao nimeona now this is an extreme case.
You know kirakari.
Yes.
Hari mundu wetumagira kiraka we mwene na moko
Personally.
ate gutinda agitwara kwa fundi.
Yes.
Na kiu it was not very tight.
It was not. And it was not again a simple affair. It's almost a whole day thing. Yes.
Kiu mundu atuma aikarita time.
Yes.
Na riu gwakiriru gya gutwara kwa fundi.
Yes.
Gitumwo na machine.
Toru gya gwetumira ni no kuhiriga.
No kuhiriga. Ona ni ugutagania uthi.
Yes. Riu kio ni kio tumaya na uthi wake
wa furana
uria mumata ona nguo ne jiono ena uthi wa pinki ekana girini
na kila kana kio ne kia brown.
Yes. Riu machine yo mwathi ku aria menayo mamwitikirie utware ogwo ni wathia ukamihura itanga ni akinya handu igatengera ni akutithagia irua rungu no karingwo wega ndui he ndu yatengera okaremwo kundondoka na mafundi maria riu magurite ndu wa peer pressure you have no expertise, you are learning on the
job.
Yes. Ona I give you rori it's bobbin vya haria sida no ini no ona rai yako muthekera
ndio higite ginya ritho rimu oguo
karuta rurimi kira asikaga yorukia yake ai uthi agaseta today expert ri aithie kumihura rethi Chitano kamutheca na yo ndia guthecaga rimwe
ni guthece ne cokeri and it was painful.
Kana ni atuma nguo agucia nginya iria cie mwiri
ya kigoti giake amandiria
anegeria magathi mau Yusi ndamenyerete na machine ni rathie thibidi na ni reguceria kindu. Yes. Riu wabatara kunyita yathie ri ukamba ukareke thie masikaru kanyita mwene uri gatwa no kia nguo ri ukiro ni njaga waino kio akora ni atumire exit ya muvuto Koro como kwena block.
He blocked the exit.
Yes. Kana atumire ahiga muhuko.
Makuru tumambaga wakifundithia ri.
Yes.
Ni oruraga itura ageka collection ya makonia.
Yes.
Tama fataraitha.
Yes.
Gutu fataraitha ya macani. Akarogota makonia maingi we.
Yes.
Akamatumura. Riu akamanyitithania thondeke hama. Inyu mutiamenya kirathi.
Kirathi ocio tiveti. Poli.
Areke mwirani atumaga hama.
Yes.
No ne kirathi ari.
Eyo ne kothi. Eyo ne unit ya semester 1. Yes. Akatuma. Akakinya handru. Akajire kurega na magathi. Ukona atuma gafurana gacati ka ngonia. Yes. Kau gacurio ruthingo
ine display.
Yes. A project. That is project 1. Amwe matuma na maratathi ma GB.
Yes. Mamutu no riu kiraka geti abatara anything. Kiraka bora ni kinyitirire nguo.
Period.
Anybody could do it.
Anybody. Kiraka batanire iri urore ndugatume ninge ehinge to uthi wa ingira wathi mwena uyu ungiri.
Another trouble.
It's another trouble you have to redo it. Ka. Idano. And the Kirakas were okay.
No, it was okay. It was acceptable.
The school was like a mosaic.
Wana komedia.
Yes. Wana sagalewa. Kajiro go na tare sagalewa. Ataugazione machangi. Sajegese. La degenye. La kenge ya kiajavira. Everyone looked like a comedian. Ajona ndo nama tumia ira kasi ando mesio ma review horo wa irakari. Nene matuire iraka comedy.
Nio marehire awareness.
Nene marehire awareness. Ndo na muthuria yetu kandi. Masangi. Erai ha kwenda nyinyi. Masangi mau.
Ayo.
Ayo. Ijeka keja. Muda jaga. No, you would not be able to, when it was popularized by Masangi and the crew. Remadaka Citrus Theatre. Lu daughter akumenya. Who is serious
And who is not?
Mayana munaira kazi yake na mugwajo. And you know, Masangi ma adopt walking style. Simple. Blastley.
Irakari.
No, they were very okay until they were engaged in the comedy. How do you want these are objects of ridicule? See, I think you're the troop of comedians. Modern day and the wonders of modern day medicine. Oh yes. You see, growing up, was a challenge since independence. Ashona thirikari ya ina maundu maigana
matatu
ya Kenyatta after independence. Ilikuwa serikali ya kupigana na magonjwa. Ilikuwa serikali ya kupigana na ujinga. The other one was what? There was poverty, illiteracy, and disease. It was that basic. Illiteracy was one of the things. We have since worked on that over the ages. No, it's not to kurari. Thibitari iria twathiaga kuheo kindu gitagwo medical care. Twamenya ati thibitari ni departments amwe itu tuka Nairobi. Yes. You see, Ngoni, Dagitari akorwo ari umwe na matuko maria okaga. And actually most of us, okay, research uchoke baragi nyori. You will realize that in your heydays, you were never treated by a doctor.
Actually, gicunje kinene kia makiria ma 90%.
Yes.
Onini ni wa ori.
Yes.
They were never attended by a doctor.
Oh, no. You see, the doctor would always be seen at the general
hospital.
Yes. With tremendous respect to clinical officers.
Yes.
Then there were very few.
No, there were not many. On a facilities stiare nyingi. No, Dagitari umeko wa guka dispensary.
You see, we had home remedies
before going to
the dispensary. Yes. Actually, I gave a medical apparatus to a meona to Riakoromuno. Because you used to walk into the doctor's office, which was just one. Warrior room we get to Dagitari, Nagwasida,
no.
Bas. period
Ni dispensary.
yes uria ukora ati thiku ici wathie thibitari wamba guthie handu wetagwo triage yes nikata mukago triage kana ni triage kana ni triage
Triage.
I think it's triage ha oyagirwo kindu gitagwo vital
Ukamba ugathimwo ritu.
yes
Uraihu.
ukarorwo temperature
Pressure.
kwa ici kwagire temperature ya guthima tu kanyama kau twakora na corona getagwo temperature gun
Temperature gun.
Then everything was physical yes Dagitari warehwo ri wamba kuhutio thithi
Akuhutia thithi aigue kana we muhiu.
ugacoka kerwo bungura ibungo igire cia shati ukahutio nda that was the thermometer thermometer twamiona from something mabuku-ini yes stethoscope
Ai.
twamiona mabuku-ini ma donation
Na mukarigwe huthikaga atia?
yes acio no ona kungiatuikire ati ni urarifairwo uratwarwo kundu ta Kenyatta gucokio riboti ati urathimirwo na kanyamu ya guthikiriria ngoro people would wow
Guthikiriria ngoro.
ati arekirite headphone
Arekirite nyamu cia matu.
yes
Gaka ngeraigirira ngoro.
yes kahehu ayele ciana ici turarera ri they don't fear that thing ithu tuona tari cindano
ona ni ungiemakiire muno
yes
ukinyite that level ya Dagitari guguthikiriria ngoro
no kwanja aguthikiria no waroga expression yake othio muno
ukamenya ngande njerekeire guthi
ukaguga gikandi guthi Sayuni no maundu mamwe rwago gutiari no Dagitari na guacindano
bas
period
ukainuka
ati wigwa ati kwina department ya phlebotomy ati kwina venipuncture kwanja andu mangiathie rwogwa dispensary kwage utungata waku urifaiwo gutwike andu mugi ati twatiga gekirwo raini
ati urongererwo mai
yes some despots would start looking for firewood for your masakaya
and you know kaudu very basic
yes
urigitani-ini
it's very basic
mundu gwikirwo mai mwiri
no venipuncture tatu phlebotomy department ni haria mundu arutagirwo ki
thakame
yes ajire aigeitu twarutwo thakame turi agima
muno
yes no Dagitari akuroragwo akuria wauga umite ku kwanyu niku
ni akarengo
akundu kuu ni ukwotwo kwina malaria mwe ndawa cia malaria
na karikia nawe
you see triage no mundu aragirio atiriri what are some of the allergies you have medicine interaction lugogo we were allergic to nothing
nobody would even ask you
they would not ask you
ati tini uri allergy yakina
ni uguthe malaria ikomi wone ndimu
Uone maruduludu
hindi wambecoka guthwo ru APC rwaruo na njamba tikere na ndawa iho yariho if you had the slightest wound it was like a tattoo yetagwo GV
ni anyitaga
kwanja ina kihuti wa motagwo
GV
yes it was maundu mamwe ma modern day medicine to monera woku Nairobi
na tuli andu agima
yes you would never ati kwanja ungeigua ati mundu arathie Nairobi bisa
itondu nacio thibitari cia roko ri kindu kwanja kindu ta x-ray was unheard of
that department etagwo atia that department
wetagwo atia
radiation radiology
department
radiology was unheard of
no icio nä indo wathia rä u thibita the present day level 5
yes
county referral hospital
cietagwo general
hä ndä ä yo
you would move around with your fracture for a week Wetera idio ugathi gwiko x-ray. Na bicho cia x-ray unashiro oko na hii. No gutobora. I know they would not care to explain to you.
No, they wouldn't.
Mociari mera goko gwake ni nona. Anio anyukeire.
Nona no fracture.
Oru ne waihiga. Riu kwacha wekiro higa wakinya rugongo. You used to be like a museum. People would come to wow. Mone the higa riu. Yes.
Vasco da Gama in town.
Yes. Maka uda kokoko. No, drag way. Physiotherapy was
that one was unheard of.
Yes.
Even ido ta CT scan to wasigwa way later.
No, CT scan from who? On a general itakin. Maundu mare ma Kenyatta. Yes. CT scan. Atu roko bagiwe te athie kuro bisa mutwe.
Yeah.
If you apparent as it to na Dagitari, wa the dispensary, no sidano, na karamu,
bas.
Yes. Ora trovato to mundo ekira gorore meha. Akora guy. We never used to see them.
Era go. Damia kanwa.
Damia. Haya. When I tell you like yes, you're okay, you are honestly, your mother is lying. When I tell you yesterday, Tene Ùrwarìte. Kwa kwa ni Ùrwarìte.
Ukimenyaga vega.
Yeah.
You haven't.
Kwa Dagitari Erìte mwana uyu uri ndamwona ri. Nimukora mumuheage nyama. Ni kwa ke uria na ciumeko.
Ithiwene ne turite.
Na mungihota kumuheaga ini ri. Athinjirwo nu.
Kwa kama Nĩguo
Dagitari nĩ turikaga guo.
Sala
na mumuheaga matunda. Ndika no mumonere na matunda ma beetroot. Muno maya ma thakame.
Nĩ ngũgera gĩathĩ.
Na mariguri mwari ndari mugatiga merue pio magie manyaganyaga mukamuhemo na mutiga na dekwenda utio curu sawa twanyitana muno animal protein iyo niyo ndakwira horo wayo no anyita animal protein muciari no anyita ne nyama na ini na guku mungihota niguo kauga niguo Dagitari
Ugerie we osemo ne mucukani.
Yes.
Uthi urie maitugu ate Dagitari ugire urugerwo nguku.
Atireko ini.
Who are you? Ona thoguo ni etagia ini.
Utatandikwa leo magonjwa yako ya takataka.
Thoguo ni etagia ini nigetha wetie we.
Dagitari ni thoguo. Dagitari ucio ri ini riu ni atune. Yindwa leo dawa.
Urona ini guku we. Niko urona ini.
Urathinjirwo nguku iriku. Yukiririo matumbe munene uyu. Tonu arwara. Karibu wa mbere.
Onduragia githeri.
Dagitari augire ndiage nyama.
Uguthii kwi Dagitari ucio ri uriage kuo.
Na takwenda ikaigire githeri kiu. No, you would actually, that is where some of us decided we want to be doctors. Most of us never became. So do I imagine I call Dagitari maundu macio very casually. They must be eating those.
Ni maundu moya ine.
Yes.
Dagitari ugire heo ini. Uguthi gwake
ucuru wake ni mwekiraga iria.
Tiga iria ona cukari.
Uga gocumbe ucenjie flavor.
Kana igata.
Mumwekagire iria ucuru-ini ni undu ena malnutrition kanini. Na ria moruga mariguri mukamurugagira maya ma gukima. Nigetha at least ecokerie ki. Nigetha ukurugia kana mwana ukime. So who are you? Unless the doctor gave an ultimatum, kwa hakuna yo kinani ugwitwo. Waria wathiri. Dagitari ucio eko ciana ciake cikara oguo.
Gwake nĩ gũikara gwo.
I want to be a doctor. Nĩ mũtikamũrutagie wĩra mũingĩ. To nĩ onekana ona exhaustion nĩ ramũtengeria. Ndamona ũguo no ngatuagĩra. Nĩ atũma orũĩ. Rĩu nĩ mũkwa mũkie mawĩra mamwe. Ambe acokanĩrĩrie mwĩrĩ. Ũcio tathiĩ rũĩ. Rigithia saitani icio wĩnacio. Ndũkue tũgũthike.
No kaniha.
Thiĩ rũĩ ũkue.
Ndĩrenda naugire niĩ ndikarĩte mwĩrĩ ndigithia mawĩra mamwe.
Ũgũthiĩ ũthamĩre kũu kwa ndagĩtarĩ ũrĩkũ?
Ũcio.
Yes.
Kũu gũtarutagwo wĩra rĩ, ũthamĩre kuo.
Na ndũngĩconoka mũkami. No, you would wish that there would be that kind of life. Na mwahota rĩ, itumbĩ rĩa mũtherũkio rĩmwe per day. Onawe nĩ wamenya atĩrĩ. Ai doc, pulo.
Iyo,
Funke. Namanya Taylor. Halimoni parangui.
itumbĩ rĩa mũtherũkio.
You see, you would even go back to the lineage you corona guka guo ndari aitu.
Ona gĩtanga kĩrĩa wĩ itũra rĩanyu rĩ, gũtirĩagwo matumbĩ ũguo. Sebuse wewe.
Na mwahota rĩ, tondũ mũno ndona situation yake ti njega ũguo na mũciĩ-inĩ mũrekereirie mũno. Wakĩra nyũkwa gĩthondekwo. Nĩ mũrekereirie mũno.
Ũrĩa kũrekereirie malnutrition.
Muona mahĩndĩ ma thubu rĩ, atherũkagĩrio akanyua thrice per week. Especially oxtail. Dagitari nĩ ndaigua nĩ tũrĩkaga ũguo. No, there are some things you would know.
Iyo nayo.
Iyo ni kuwekelea.
Ona mũhĩrĩga ũngĩcokanĩrĩra.
Ramenya iyo ni kuwekelea Arsenal. Ayo.
Dagitari augire atherũkagĩria mahĩndĩ ma thubu we mũciari.
Maũndũ maingĩhire.
Gĩkanio arikatwe cukuru. Andũ arĩa marĩ the biggest station aina twanaria ũhoro ũcio rĩ. Arĩa marĩ na everything at their disposal. We are not the brightest.
No, they were not. They were not.
They were not. The people who had everything at their disposal. When it comes to academics, they usually got the short end of what?
Of the stick.
Yes. Marriages yake.
Yeah, there she.
Onarema, the best handwriting did not have the HB pencil.
Yes.
Arema na tufejo zuria tu akuanyurana. Iyo twaria wakora kwagurwo fejo imwe muri na thukuru. Mukerwo o mundu oe portion.
Mukauna na fejo.
Yes.
Adwana.
Yes. You see, majenzi wengine wa siku hizi hawezi understand. Hey, ndiwona amuru ni arandika. No ndona kiarandika nakio.
Tondo ka fejo kaigana kuota yake yara.
Keru nguru wa ruhi.
Na no mandikaga.
Yes. Na nio marathana kundu kuriku.
Kundu guku.
Biashara nio marathie cara jana ku. Maoka indo kuma nginya Singapore. Yes.
Nio madira muno na KIHENJO kuria poti makirehe murigo.
Absolutely. Andu matare makona rava. That is a young man.
Kwa jarabu uria wari premium.
Yes.
Wena mwena wa red na blue.
Okay, it was a scam. Ati mwena ugidio futa ink.
Scam.
You know, there's a young man. He's not very young. He's just about my age. He moves a lot of goods. Nyama kema.
Naruga pipe 7 demoko iko.
Alex.
Yes. Nia inarafa permanent.
Inarafa permanent?
Yes.
How permanent?
Wale getu otari.
Ucio no athiraga.
Tari hurokia wĩra rĩ. Rwetari ya urukagio ira ya to puru twiri
ya karima ndira na haha
yara-inĩ gĩtungu
twara-inĩ
rĩu arengereire yo you take more time gũbuta ũkĩa the conventional rubber
na wahũthĩra hinya mũingĩ ũtarũra iratathi.
Yes. Iyo rĩu arĩ na raba ũcio and he is very wealthy today. Yes,
mũndũ arĩ na raba wa tari
tari na ndĩrĩ mũndũ wĩna raba wa tari rĩ nũndũ wa kũigua tũraconoka rĩ ndonyitagwo wabuta ũhumbĩrĩte yo
ũhithĩte ũhithe thĩna
na gacokia kĩ
mũhuko
ũkaigua reke tũhumbĩre thoni citũ tũthome. Yes, and those people are doing very well. Actually clipboard yake rĩ it was a makeshift
clipboard.
Nona clipboard unaweka kigeranio.
Na kuigira maratathi hĩndĩ ya kigeranio
Yes. Athondekirwo na plywood nĩ ithe. Plywood na hanga ile arutĩte Nairobi.
Kate hanga.
Yes. Yes. Na eka mathabu ndahetũkire mũno. No nĩ acokire akĩgĩa mĩaramano.
Nĩ acokire naguo thutha ũcio ciringi ĩkĩmũigua.
Yes. Kwatũ mathoma na thĩna mũkĩrĩrĩru
mũno.
Mumata few. There are even people who will tell you nima kona mafuku oko subject taru ithio tweka inyanya wako subject ni inyanya they had 3 books or 4 so they would choose which direction takes which subject.
Ukamenya githungu ngwambia na mbere githwairi nyambia na thutha o haria cigacemaniria ri musamiati upatane. Yes. Mathabu nyanjie mbere science nyanjie thutha
wakanagio guo ni wathiaga ine what do you call the faculty kamenya githungu na githwaiso ni languages ni itwaranaga.
Yes.
Mathabu na science cieke atia
itwarane.
Yes.
Ciandamane
art and craft watoitharia na ngirigaca. Yes.
Bas
music watoitharia na ciara. Yes.
Rwimbo na iguru ni ciguanaga.
Yes. Wewe umemaliza rĩu thĩna wokaga rĩrĩ mwarimu wa gĩthũngũ etie mabuku akamake na wa gĩthweri nĩ etie
they throw you off balance.
Nĩ athia oke aria he mwarimu. Excuse me.
Yes, what is it, Jaraba?
This book.
Which one?
The one I give.
What is it?
Is from the other side is Kiswahili.
Who told you to do that?
It's not to like.
Why did you do that?
My father say I do like that until we get money.
Mwalimu nake agacanuka rimwe situation yule hana
unapelekea Mr. Monywa wa Kiswahili kwanza kabla nimalize hizo kwa marudisha.
Uambie babako akununulie kitabu ya subject moja.
Some would be very understanding but there are some who would actually tell you off. Na muru ndariganagirwo ni ari mutacio. Mwalimu araire ku understand it is not your fault.
Ti kwenda gwaku.
Yes.
Ni ure kuhana.
Na ti guturika. Wewe yu atiriri. Get creative. Mafuku ni mariku. Mafuku
ni mana murendo mafuku manana. Mafuku no monekire mana.
You see tene ni mari family nene. Wakora mwezi na ithathatu and 5 out of school going age.
Yes.
Yes. Riu thogu agura indo in bulk. Agoka. Prioritize. Mukero vaga iraini ifuku acokira ifuku
na ngoro wirwa grade.
Yes.
we na udigire ukehera
akinya mere ukero ethoka
we amba wehera ikarathi
ifuku book aya turamu antu cokiai twenyure
ekahiu
ka o mundu
kenyu gake
garungo. No, it is the appropriate one. Ni andu magwikire kiyo kiu
in the streets.
No, that is the appropriate one. So you would receive your 4 books. Na onetho guo ni inamia gija kata thikare kurete ke
mabuku mothe.
Yes.
Na ni nokia
riu njike atia
Noga haribu kudatigia.
Moko ba modire mariku.
Macio.
So you had to get creative.
Yes.
Omenye what will start where. And when they come together, how you will handle the teachers.
Yes.
Yes. And here we are. Yes.
Na riu andu acio nio mena iturwa cia wathani guku.
Wega biyo mena masekretari maramandikira. Na mapie. Yes. With a lot of material. Yes. Yathura o twarithania subject itaratwarana. Tau ithugu ndugiatwarithanirie na kindu ta science.
Asa. Asa.
Yes.
Ni ukona you use your cogosity.
Yes. Ano igwa mwalimu kule. Why are you writing from the back? This side is music. What do you mean that side is music? The front is art and craft. And this is music. So they sort siadamane.
And they passed.
They passed. And they have wonderful paying jobs and businesses. Oh yes. Jambani na you want the Gathaiya.
Enyakago.